kumanta. Gusto ko may kumanta naman ng Nobody para sa akin. Dito sa table na to.
Wala.
Ay, ito. Ito na lang si ate. Ano pangalan mo ate? Ano pangalan mo? Ano yung naman ang basis mo? Milky? Parang gatas lang Milky talaga? Totoo? Si Mickey. Mickey ba o Milky? Milky, parang gatas. Si Mickey. Milky nga. Milky. Okay, hello Milky. Alright, Milky. Nagkakapag-free kakantay niya yung Nobody song. Chorus lang naman. Chorus lang. Okay? Chorus lang yan. Kaya mo yan. Ano ka ba? Shy ka. Sige na, samahan ka na. In 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, Bibi, sign language daw po. Naiiyak talaga siya. Hindi na kaya. Wala mo lang isang buong wala, no? Oo ba? Isang buong pamilya lang. So, we have a foreign friend here. I guess she is. Hello, ma'am. Hi. You can hi. I can see you. Hello, ma'am. Happy evening to you. By the way, ako po, I am Mitch. What's your name, ma'am? Stephanie. Stephanie, with accent. Tutugon. Ilong ko dito. Pero sige, lalabanan ko to. Kaya to ng powers ko. No, okay, go. Hello, Stephanie. Ano kami accent? Okay. Stephanie, by the way, where are you from? From Holland. Hello? Lang narinig ko. From Alice. You're from Alice. O, tignan mo. Bigay ka. Anong Orleans? Holland? Kasi sabi niya na Holland. From Holland. Is this your first time here, ma'am? Second time. So, you're with your friends or your family. And he is your boyfriend. Wow. So, siya ka, kuya. Nalo. May lahi. Nalo talaga. Jakat, kuya. Galing ng gayungan nating dala. Okay na lang yan. Ma'am, I know. You don't have any idea of what he said a while ago. But you heard that. Nobody but you. Can you please sing it for us, for everybody here in Blue Wave? Even if you don't know the lyrics, all you gotta say is, I want nobody but you. Sir, hindi na talaga alam, pero pwedeng ikaw na lang. Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Something like that. So easy as that. Okay, sir. Pero what's your name? Tingnan mo, nagpunta ka lang ng Holland, may accent ka na. Layo. Pero pag sa'yo na, yung! Pautang naman! Joke lang po, sir. Joke lang. Pero ang ganda lang po. Sarap kahilan yan, sir. Joke lang po, sir. Baka magalit. Sino mo nagalit? Wala naman nila. Ayan. Sir, pwede tayo ka daw para naman makita na yung kamatsuhan mo? Isang kanta lang ng para ma-inlove siya ng mga sa'yo. Mas madami. Alam mo lahat ng kumanta dito ng Nobody, sir, natuloy sa kasalan. Pero after 1 week, nag-divorce ang daddy. Yun lang, sir. Just to make this evening fun. More fun with you guys. All you gotta say is, I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Or you can also say her name, whatever you want to do. You can also do your sexy moves, or also you can sing with your own way. Please, in a count of 3, Sir Rayo. Okay, in a count of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I want you. Your eyes, that was so he was looking into your eyes and what is saying, I want nobody but you. I want nobody, your body. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Leo. Thank you. Palakpakan naman po natin. And also to Stephanie, thank you so much. Yes, and for now, dito naman tayo sa tatlong pogi.
Para matay, bigyan mo.
Tatlong pogi. Sir, yung ikaw mahihain. Sige, anong pangalan ni Sir?
Kinikilig. Oo, kinikilig ka. Nakainom ka na ng juice.
Luma na yan. Sakit yan eh.
Madilim na.
Pakantahin mo na yan. Sir, Priya, sing the low voice song. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, oh. Okay. Thank you so much. Sir naman. Ano pa? Ay, sir. Kunwari, mahiyak pa. Francis. Sir, konti-konti lang. Promise. In 1 and 2, in 1, 2, 3. Ayaw niya, naiya siya. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And meron naman tayo dito. Siyempre, nangyari yung lagpas ng ating birthday boy. Si Mang Boy. Si Mang... Nagsiyan. Mahiyain. Si Sir na nga lang. Para kay Mang Boy Condor. No, sir, ano pong pangalan?
Sino? Saan dyan? Yung maiksi? Yung maiksi?
Excited. Yung iba, yung hiya. Wala pa yung music. Ano pangalan ni Sir? Ano pong pangalan niya, Sir? June Peralta. Para Pinoy na Pinoy yung pangalan ni Sir. Sige, in a count of 3, Sir, ha? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yes! Galing! Parang hirap na hirap. Hindi nyo maganda eh. Ganado, diba? Maraming salamat po, Ma'am June. Sir June, thank you. Mahiyain si Sir. Thank you. Si Ma'am June, kumakanta siya. Malat na, pero mukhang rockista yung boses niya. Thank you so much, Ma'am June.
Kaya busin.
And sa lahat ng mga bagong dating, welcome to Blue Wave. Please stand by for the Moco Girls. Mamaya ang mga kasama sila. And for everyone, come on, let's sing.